Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a frustrating problem when you are trying to log into Facebook but you are not receiving the two-factor authentication code. So how to solve it? First, make sure your phone has network signal and internet access. Next, double check that your phone number on Facebook is correct and updated. You can do this by logging in from a trusted device and going to Settings, Security and Login, Two-factor authentication, and then Edit phone number. If you're using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Duo, open that app and use the code shown there instead. It refreshes every 30 seconds. If that doesn't work, clear your app cache or try logging in from a different browser or device. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech help, quick tutorials, and troubleshooting tips.